Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty and bring you the best tips, tricks, and product reviews. Today, we're reviewing the Pawotence Lash Extension Kit, DIY 280 pieces Lash Clusters Eyelash Extension Kit. If you're someone who loves the look of lash extensions but wants to save time and money, this might just be the product for you. Stick around to find out all the details. Let's kick things off with a quick product overview. This DIY lash extension kit comes with 280 lash clusters in different sizes, ranging from 9mm to 16mm, and includes both 30D and 40D volume lashes. You'll also get lash bond and seal as well as a lash applicator. With everything included, you'll be able to easily achieve a full natural lash extension look right at home. No salon appointment necessary. Now let's talk about how this kit performs in the real world. The setup is incredibly straightforward. You start by gently rolling the lash band down with the included tweezers, then apply the lash bond to your natural lashes and carefully place the lash clusters on. Finally, seal everything in place with the lash seal brush. It's honestly one of the easiest applications I've experienced for DIY lash extensions. You can experiment with different lengths and volumes so you can customize your lash look for any occasion, from a casual day at work to a bold night out. Let's break down the pros and cons. First, the pros. The variety of lash sizes and volumes is a huge plus. Whether you want a subtle, natural look or a more dramatic effect, you have options. The materials used for the lashes feel soft, lightweight, and durable. They look incredibly natural. No one will be able to tell you've done them yourself. The kit is also perfect for anyone who is a bit new to the lash game, as the application process is easy to follow. However, no product is perfect. One downside I noticed is that the lash clusters can be a bit tricky to handle if you're not used to the process. If you're new to lash extensions, you might need a little practice to get the application just right. Additionally, the bond might take a few tries to figure out how much to use for the best results. Some users might also find the tweezers included a bit too small for precise placement. Now, let's talk value for money. This kit is priced reasonably, especially when you consider how much you typically pay at a salon for lash extensions. You get 280 lash clusters, multiple lengths and volumes to play with, and all the tools you need to apply them. When you think about how much you'd spend on lash appointments, this kit can easily pay for itself after just a few uses. In terms of comparisons, if you're familiar with other lash extension kits, you'll notice that this one stands out in terms of the variety of lash lengths and volumes. While some kits offer only one or two sizes, this one lets you experiment and really customize your look. Some alternatives might be cheaper, but they don't always offer the same variety or the ease of use that this kit provides. When it comes to build quality, the Pawotence Lash Kit is well constructed. The lashes themselves are soft and durable, and the applicator tool feels sturdy in hand. As for longevity, I've used this kit a few times already, and the lashes seem to hold up well with each application. The bond and seal provide a secure hold that lasts for hours, so I'd say it's a good option for anyone who wants their lashes to stay in place throughout the day or night. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer support for this product, but the brand is well known for its focus on quality and customer satisfaction. So if you do have any issues, I would expect good service. As for product alternatives, there are cheaper options available, but they tend to come with fewer lash clusters or less variety. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, you could try one of those, but if you want a kit that gives you more customization and a professional feel, this Pawotence kit is hard to beat. In conclusion, the Pawotence Lash Extension Kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to create a stunning lash look without the salon price tag. The kit is versatile, easy to use, and offers excellent value for money. If you're looking to up your lash game with a professional, customizable look, this kit is definitely worth considering. Now before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic for more beauty tips and reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried the Pawotence Lash Kit, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And remember, the link to grab your own kit is in the comments box. Until next time, keep your lashes long and your beauty booming with Beautyistic.